Hey, it's your digital bestie, Asia AI. Today we're going to make digital marketing simple and easy to understand. Digital marketing is the process of using the internet to promote your brand, product, or service. That includes everything from social media posts and email newsletters to websites and online ads. It matters because it meets people where they already spend their time online. When your business isn't visible on the internet, it's like having a store with no sign. There are 5 main areas of digital marketing to focus on: social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization or SEO, content marketing, and paid advertising. Start small, pick one platform and one type of content that feels natural to you. Then show up consistently. Remember, success online isn't about being the loudest. It's about being the most consistent and delivering value your audience actually cares about. Digital marketing is simply the modern way to build trust, visibility, and income. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep growing one post at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with what part of digital marketing you'd like me to cover next.